In this video, I'll show you how to join BG Wealth Sharing using the DSJVM.cc website on your mobile phone. This guide is made for complete beginners, so don't worry if you have zero technical knowledge. Just follow each step carefully. First, unlock your phone and open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, or any browser installed on your device. In the address bar at the top, type DSJVM.cc and press enter. Wait for the website to fully load. Make sure the web address is spelled correctly to avoid landing on the wrong site. Once the homepage opens, look for a button that says register or sign up. This is usually at the top right corner or in the center of the screen. Tap on that button to open the account registration form. You will now see several fields that you need to fill in. Start with your mobile number or email address, depending on what the site asks for. Enter details that you can access easily because you may receive a verification code. Next, create a password. Choose a strong password that includes letters and numbers. Do not use very simple passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, you may be asked to confirm the password by typing it again. Some platforms like this also require an invitation code or referral code. If you have one, enter it in the provided box. If you don't have a code, check if the field is optional. If it is required, you will need to get a valid code from someone already using the platform. After filling in all the information, tap on Get Code or Send Code if there is a verification step. Check your SMS or email inbox, copy the code you receive, and enter it into the verification field on the website. Before finishing, you may see a small box to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap the checkbox to agree. It's a good idea to read the terms briefly so you understand the platform rules. Finally, press the Register or Create Account button. If all details are correct, your account will be created and you will be logged into your dashboard. That's it. You have successfully joined BG Wealth Sharing using your mobile phone. Always be careful when sharing personal information online and make sure you understand how any platform works before investing money.